It's so hot. I'm sweating. That's because I'm here in Santa Monica, Century City area. I just finished shopping. I did a lot of damage that I wasn't supposed to do. Actually, I should not have been shopping here. The thing I wanted the most was not even here. And those were the eye contacts, the colored contacts. I got lured in and I bought a bunch of skincare at Olive Young. This is my first time going to the Olive Young. This is the Century City location. I was a little disappointed that they didn't have the colored contacts, and it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. So I guess the Pasadena location is a lot bigger and it has the contact lenses. It has what you need. Like, I remember going to Korea and like there's like little smaller Olive Youngs. That's exactly what it reminded me of. But the prices, don't even get me started on the price. It does not remind me of Korea prices. I think I spent about $300. What the fuck? Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? I got a little mesmerized. Like, everything looked like candy to me and I had to grab it all, like handfuls of it. I got a Sun Life smoothie because it was so hot and I was going in circles. I couldn't find where I was supposed to go. So I found a bathroom that I really need to go use. So I went there. As soon as I got out of the bathroom, I saw Sun Life. So I had to stop and get my mint chocolate chip. I haven't had this in a while. This is one of my favorite smoothies there. $20 smoothie, by the way. This is just as if I haven't spent enough more money and It is so humid out in Santa Monica right now. It's disgusting. It feels like I'm back in Asia, like literally just shopping at Olive Young, walking out sweating and sticky. I had a nice little date to myself. That was really fun. So because I spent like, I think it was like $280 or $290, they gave me a little gift. Ooh. Oh, okay, we got a sample for Dr. for Hair Collagen Thickening Scalp Conditioning Mask. Ooh, this is the, okay, Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Cream in this packet. And then this one, PDRN Hyaluronic Acid Capsule 100 Serum. So I have the cream and serum. This one, this is a cute little tiny one. This is a dark spot correcting glow serum. Niacinamide, squalene, hippophae, rhamnoids, and fruit extract. Ooh, what is this one? Another hair treatment. Ooh. Okay, this is a I think that's how you say it, Damage Repair Hair Mask. Ooh, I'm so excited to try these. And I actually want to try these samples because usually whenever I get samples, I like forget about them. It's so cool because I got to see some products that I have been gifted PR from. It's making me so excited because I know I'm in the right direction because the fact that I got certain products that I saw at Olive Young. Like I saw the Abib eye patches. I have been sent Abib. I saw Kosar, the new one that I just did a vlog about. I just got that PR last week and I just filmed a video for it. And it was the blue like serum bottle. And I'm wearing it today, like I'm actually using it, so I'm excited. Oh my god, look how long this receipt is. Oh my gosh, that's insane. So we're just gonna do a haul when I get home because it's just a little hectic right now and I have an hour-long drive home. I want to enjoy my smoothie. Good morning. I look a little crazy, but it's okay because I just got out of the shower. I'm not put together yet. I'm literally wearing a dress too that honestly I think I'm gonna change out of. I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm like filming for TikTok also, so like I feel like it's gonna be a weird day. Like my vlog's gonna be all over the place because I'm filming for everything. I'll show you guys some of the Olive Young products I'm gonna use. I have a whole bunch of Olive Young stuff that I still need to show you guys because it's a lot. This is one of my newest things I got. This is the Toradin Hyaluronic Acid. This is one of my favorite hyaluronic acids, but comes in this clear bottle. Okay, I changed into another dress and I feel so much better already. Black polyester dress. I don't know what you call this, like a tennis skirt, tennis dress. I haven't worn this in years and I'm so happy I found it again, but it's so comfortable. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup. Almost done with my makeup. I'm just waiting for the lip stain to work. This is the dress I'm wearing. It's so comfortable. I could literally live in this dress. I think if I were to pick anything to live in for the rest of my life, it would be this dress. This would be like my character dress. Because I don't wear dresses often, but when I do, I like a really cute, comfortable one. I'm very happy with how it turned out. So I'm finally gonna do my Olive Young haul. I'm so excited. I already showed you guys the gift that I got from Olive Young and they're just a bunch of samples. Let's just pretend that I haven't unboxed these yet, but I'll just put them back in its box. So I did a little restock of my hyaluronic acid, and it's this Torridin. It just feels so good on my skin. It's very hydrating. And then this one is the Panthacell Repair Cica Cream Mist. This is the spray. I actually got this in Korea the last time. I really liked it, and it's just a nice spraying mist. I don't know exactly what Panthacell is, but apparently that's the main ingredient in this spray, and it's just really good for your skin. Next, I wanted to show you guys this one. Apparently this is very popular right now that I've been seeing. It's the PDRN Hyaluron Acid Hydrating Capsule Mist. And I saw a video where I guess Kendall Jenner and like the makeup artists are using this. So I'm excited to try this one out. Next, I got my Anua Heartleaf Oil. This is always what I use. This is what I use all the time for when I take my makeup off, and that's what you guys see in my videos. So I just had to do a restock because I am running low. I got the Be Plain pH Mung Bean Cleansing Foam. I love this stuff. I also got this in Korea the first time, and I really loved how my skin was looking when I used this. And yeah, I'm excited to try these again. My mom and my sister use this one all the time still, so I'm glad that I was able to get my own. This one is the Orencia. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Did I get something else? Okay, I thought I was getting the cleanser. Because I thought it was the mochi cleanser, but it's fine. I'm excited to try something new. I didn't even know this. This is the Glowing and Smoothing Hylo Hysup Serum 30 packed with vitamins. I didn't even know I got this. I got the wrong one. I guess I thought I was getting the cleanser, but this is what I'm saying. When I went there and started shopping, I just kept grabbing things. So it's a serum. It's really funny. I can't believe I didn't even know what I got. Next, I got my favorite. This is one of my favorite MediHeal products. This is the Metacasicide Blemish Pad. I love using this. I bought this at Ulta a few months ago, and that's where I found it, because Ulta has a lot of good Korean skincare. So they have this there, and I had to do a restock because I ran out. The next thing I got was another MediHeal. This is the PDRN Lifting Pad. It's kind of similar to this one. This one is more of like a smoothing. They're both kind of similar. I don't know. This one smells so good though. Actually, they both smell really good, so I'm excited for these. I love MediHeal products. Oh my gosh, my stuff is like stacking right now. One I'm actually very excited to try. I saw this from Amy. I don't know her Instagram. She's that Korean girl who went out with I Show Speed for a little bit. I think it's Amy Flamey, but this is how I found out about this product actually, was the Dr. Althea Pure Grinding Cleansing Balm. So this is where you like twist it open and then you just, like the balm just comes out and it's very clean. So I'm excited for this one. This is a good makeup remover. And I feel like I would definitely take this with me for my Mexico trip, so I don't have to like use my oils, but I don't know. We'll see. Definitely will bring that. Okay, so another one that I got was my MediHeal vitamin C brightening serum with niacinamide. So this one I'm completely empty of, like my bottle is run dry. All right, next we got a few face masks. This is the Medicube PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. It has sodium DNA, niacinamide, hydrolyzed collagen. I don't think I've tried this yet. This one is MediHeal Ceramide Face Mask. I haven't tried this yet, so excited for that. This one, I've already gotten this before. This is the MediHeal Collagen Face Mask. This is one of my favorite ones that I found there because I first used this type of pimple patch in Korea, and it has needles in it. So this one is the niacinamide. This one is the glutathione brightening micro patch. So it's just a pimple patch, a little circle ones, but it has needles, so it goes through your pore. This one works so well. I already used this the other day. I put pimple patches overnight, and the next day it was already like so much smaller, like it was gone. Like some of them were gone. I still have a few that's still there, but I'm gonna keep using this, and I'm so glad that they have this here now. But last thing I got that's not skincare, they have my favorite Clio mascara brand. So I've never tried their eyeliner. So this is a waterproof pencil liner. I'm excited to try this. I thought it was gonna be liquid liner. I guess I should have looked. Again, I wasn't really like paying attention. I was overwhelmed. It was overstimulating. I was hoping that this was gonna be a liquid one, but it's okay because I still have a little bit of my other liquid liner. I think it's Japanese though, that's why. So I have all my products. Oh my goodness, just look at this. It's kind of insane. I feel like I'm back in Korea and like bought all my favorite products. Yeah, crazy. But yeah, these are all my things. I'm excited for it. Oh my god, let me just show you what this is looking like right now. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Look at all my stuff. A little excessive much? Yeah, this is what $300 gets you at Olive Young. I went crazy, but I'm excited for all my stuff. I'm very happy with the products I bought. So yeah, I'm gonna go probably get my nails done now. So come with me. Okay, I filmed a few TikToks. I did my haul, get everything I have on this desk. Definitely got to clean that up later, but we're gonna go ahead and get my nails done. I'm just gonna do a pedicure only, but let's get out of the house and start our day outside. I think I'm gonna add some IV hydration packets to this. I feel like I'm gonna need it. Yesterday, honestly, almost every day this past week because of the heat, I have been having migraines. Like I wake up with a migraine. Yesterday was probably the worst of my migraines because it was like really pounding right here. I just know that it's because I'm dehydrated. Oh, these are all strawberry. Where are all my good ones? Ooh, watermelon. I love watermelon. The liquid IV. I love this stuff. It's so good when I need extra hydration. My friend didn't know what I meant when I told her I had brought this to work. She's like, oh, you're gonna get an IV? I was like, no. Oh no, actually I said I have my liquid IV here. And she's like, oh, you just drink that like straight from like, I don't know. Because she knows my mom has a med spa and that we have like IV hydration stuff, like the liquid actual IV. So I think she thought I was straight up drinking like some IV fluids. I don't know. It was really funny, but I told her about this and it's just electrolytes. Okay. But this is the watermelon flavor. All right, let's go. I'm excited. I'm trying to return something at Target and I forgot the receipt. Like, I don't even know where it's at. If I can't find it, I'm cooked. Screw that. I'm going home. I'm gonna go try and find the receipt. So hopefully, let's pray that I can find it. If not, I'm gonna have to try to see if I can return this without receipt. I don't think it'll be in here. I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna check my Target bag. Okay. Oh, it is in here. Damn, I put it in the wrong bag. We're good. I found it. Oh my gosh, I thought I didn't have it. Okay, thank God. I'm gonna go back now to Target. Okay, I just returned my clothes. I got $94 back. I don't even know if I needed the receipt. He did it so like quick and easy, and I don't know, just my anxious self needed to make sure I had the receipt. I don't know if you can already tell, but I'm a very, very anxious person. So for now, we're gonna go and see what I can do with my toes. I just got home. I'm gonna try to squeeze myself into an appointment like this Thursday, either tomorrow or Thursday, to get my nails done from an actual nail tech who does designs. So hopefully I can get that done this week before my trip. If not, I could just do press-ons, honestly. Like, I don't care that much, but I do want like cute nails for the summer. I'm excited because my contacts do come tomorrow. I got it off 1-800-Contacts and it was nice because I got to use my health benefits. Got like $130 off, which was sick. I only paid about $60 for my contacts, and yeah, it's still a lot, but like honestly, it's so worth the deal because it would have been way much more than that. It comes tomorrow. I'm getting everything ready for Mexico. I have to pack in the next day or two, honestly. I really need to start packing and like confirming and like solidifying the outfits I want.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Wipe it down.
The lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl didn't do
Hi guys, I'm finally home. I had such a long day. I did some shopping today. I was hanging out in Pasadena area. It was just a nice time to like be outside of the valley. I'm gonna show you guys the shoes I got. I got a pair of heels. This is actually a Steve Madden heels. There's a theme going on here. I've been liking brown a lot this year. I had to get this. This is super cute. Wear this with a dress, but it's a cute like short kitten heel. I also got my contacts. This is from 1-800-Contacts. It's my first time buying contacts from them because I needed some contact. I don't want to be wearing glasses all day. Like, this has been slipping off my face too, so I need to get this fixed. Ooh, perfect. And they're just once a day contacts. Yes, okay. Everything. Someone is so excited to see me. Hi.
Buy the supplies, feed the refugees.
I just got my nails done. Oh my god, look how pretty. Oh my god, this is my first time ever getting like nail designs like this and like going to an actual nail tech. That was the best experience I've ever had with nails ever, like in my life ever. That was like such a vibe, just chatting up on Love Island, like just girl chats, listening to R&B. They had R&B music, like their vibe was so good. Like I am definitely coming back. I'm so glad that my experience for the first time was so good. I like found these girls on Instagram. I'm just so happy. She did so good and I felt so relaxed and so comfortable. Wow, I'm gonna be looking at this all day.
Yeah, I know why I get it, why you need me. I know what you like. I feel it.